Welcome to Shiksha Sanjog Nuapara online teaching. We discussed the first part of air pollution hidden menace, class 10th English. Today we will discuss the polluted air causes harms. The polluted air affects cattle, human body. It also affects crops and vegetables, crops and vegetables. It leads to acid rain. It also leads to global warming. And it also affects houses and buildings. Houses and buildings. Polluted air affects human body and it affects our eye, eyes become irritated, throat become scratchy, and we face respiratory illness. Respiratory illness. Polluted air leads to acid rain. Acid rain affects trees. Trees become leafless. It affects human body. It affects also soil, and soil becomes less fertile. It affects plants and animals live in the water. Plants and animals that live in the water, and acid rain also affects water. Water means it may lack water, drinking water. Acid rain affects human body. It affects eyes, it damages the sensitive tissue of the eyes, It also affects lungs, mainly on children, and it also injures skin. Injure skin. Acid rain also affects plants and animals, mainly in Sweden, Norway. These are the example, and Central Wales. The species in Sweden, like your pied flycatcher, and Apollo butterfly. Likewise, in Norway, brown trout, and in Central Wales, dipper fish. These are the very rare species. So my dear students, the polluted air causes harms. It harms cattle. It also harms human body. In human body, it affects eye. It affects throat. Eye irritates. Throat becomes scratchy, and we face respiratory illness. Air polluted also harms on crops and vegetables. It leads to acid rain. Acid rain affects trees. Trees become leafless. Acid rain also affects human body. It affects our eyes, lungs, and skin. Acid rain also affects, it brings harms to the soil. Soil becomes less fertile. Acid rain also harms plants and animals that live in the water. Acid rain also damages drinking water, water of the lakes, rivers, etc. Plants and animals in Sweden, like pied flycatcher and Apollo butterfly, are vanished due to acid rain. And in Norway, brown trout, and in Central Wales, dipper fish, they are also vanished. They are the very rare species. So this is a tree diagram, and we have designed activity 1. It is writing activities. You have to look out the diagram or your books, and you have to fill up the dashes. And in activity 2, you have to fill up some verbs in the dashes. That's all. Thank you.